Imagine this. You're in a dark alley, homeless, dirty, and feeling utterly hopeless. It's a scary thought, right? But what if I told you that you have the power to change your future? Yes, you. Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock success with the power of affirmations. These aren't just empty words. They're little pep talks for your brain, and they can totally transform your life. Whether you call them affirmations, declarations, mantras, or even positive delusions, they all serve the same purpose: to empower you. I'll stick with affirmations since most people are familiar with it. Affirmations are short, powerful statements that you repeat to yourself to build a positive mindset. They help you focus on what's possible, build confidence, and encourage you to take action toward your goals. Your thoughts shape how you see the world. If you're always thinking, "I can't do this," or "I'm not good enough," those beliefs start to feel true, even when they're not. But here's the magic. When you use affirmations, you flip the script. You train your mind to focus on what you want to achieve, not on your fears or doubts. They are powerful because your brain loves repetition. The more you hear or say something, the more your mind believes it. Say, "I am confident and capable" every day, and soon you'll not only believe it but also embody it. Over time, you'll notice that you really do feel more confident and capable, even in tough situations. Make sure your affirmations are positive. Focus on what you want. Instead of saying, "I'm not afraid of failure," say, "I am brave and resilient." Short affirmations are easier to remember and repeat. Say them often in your mind. The more you say your affirmations, the more powerful they become. When you say your affirmations, imagine them as true right now. Feel the confidence, joy, or motivation they bring. Affirmations won't change your life overnight, but they plant the seeds for positive change. The more you practice, the more your thoughts and actions align with the life you want to create. Start today with one simple affirmation and watch how your mindset begins to shift. Here are a few to get you started. For happiness. I am happy and content. Joy and positivity fill my life. I radiate happiness and positive energy. For health, wealth, and happiness. I am healthy, wealthy, and happy. I am grateful for my abundance of health, wealth, and happiness. I attract all the good things in life, including health, wealth, and happiness. For health, I am healthy and vibrant. My body is strong and capable. For wealth, I am prosperous and abundant. Money flows freely and easily into my life. So what are you waiting for? Start using affirmations today and unlock your path to success. Remember, the power to change your life is in your hands. Let's do this. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more empowering content. Thanks for watching.